If your phone battery drains fast, here's what you could do in order to fix it so. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So if your battery drains fast, then you could follow these steps in order to fix it so. First of all, you might want to make sure to reduce your brightness. So you could do this from the very control panel or the quick settings panel. Swipe down, then you could either go ahead and decrease it. This is going to help you out to actually save your battery as well. Next, you could also go ahead and reduce screen time. Open up settings. In the settings section, scroll down and locate display and touch. When you go to display and touch, you could also disable this adaptive brightness option. Once you've done that, you want to make sure to go ahead and scroll down to screen time. So in my case, currently I have 5 minutes. You could select 15 seconds as well. Once you've done this, you could exit out of this page, and what you want to do is you might also want to make sure to go ahead and uninstall any sort of unnecessary app or unused app on your device. To uninstall it, you could long press onto the app, then you could drag, and then you could select onto uninstall. So this way, you should be able to fix. Next thing, what you also want to do is go to settings once again, locate location. After you go to location, you might want to make sure to go ahead and select location service. And you want to make sure to go to Wi-Fi scanning and disable this option as well. Once you've done this, this is also going to help you to save your battery. Next, you could also go ahead and check which app is actually consuming much battery. So for that, you have to go to battery, and you could go to battery uses, and you could see which apps are actually consuming your battery. So as you could see, in my case, it's TikTok, Instagram, and all that. So if you don't use any of these apps, you could also go ahead and uninstall. Next, while you're in the same section, you also want to make sure to go ahead and enable battery saver. Toggle the button for this, and like this, you should be able to fix your phone battery draining fast. So these are a couple things you could do in order to fix it. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.